If I then come over and look at the NQ, it's in exactly the same stance off yesterday's low. So I've got an ABC move, a three-wave move right into the 1.0 extension. 73.37 would invalidate the idea of this being a diagonal in and of itself, and we'd have exactly the same possibilities here as I've just described to you in the ES. Meanwhile, day trading wise, these are the levels to watch. And I've run the fibs for the deeper pullback in NQ. We're right at the 618 at the moment, below there 73.26. Dow's in a world of its own. The immediate pattern is identical to the other two indices I've just gone through, except that the Dow has held here for a 4, and I'm looking for the 5 of this 3 up in the Dow Jones Industrial. So I'm looking for this low at 26.226 to stay intact and to come up and take out this resistance zone. If we hit this resistance zone in the Dow and then take out the low, we are in danger of ruining the absolutely picture perfect fib ladder climb that we've been seeing in that index, which would be a shame, but if it does, it does. Nothing we can do about that.